She is dying. A giant Pacific octopus at over 4 meters long. She has just mated for the first time, and now she's searching for a safe refuge. Her den has to be just right. This is going to be her home for many months to come. It's her nursery den. She's carrying fertilized eggs, 100,000 of them. She caresses them with her tentacles, ensuring that algae don't grow on them and that fish don't eat them. This is her first and only brood, and so she takes great care of them. And during all this time, she doesn't eat a thing. And now, as they are hatching, she is dying. Her last act of devotion is to blow water over the eggs to help them hatch. Surely this sacrifice must make her one of nature's most devoted mothers.